Hi guys, this is Aridiva from aridiva.com or Monique. Today I'm going to be reviewing Caribbean Fashion Week Night 3. So what I wanted to do was to just take out a few of my favorite pieces. As you can imagine, there was a whole lot of pictures from Night 3. I didn't want to do a blog post. It would have stretched for a bit. So I decided instead to do a video. So I really hope that you like my videos, and because I want to do more of this video blogging thing. So I'm going to be using the pictures from Stush this time around. You can visit livestush.com or search Stush on Facebook to check out the rest of the pictures that I didn't put in this video. There was quite an extensive gallery Stush has going on from Caribbean Fashion Week, so make sure you go on over to their page and check out the rest. Alright, so let's get into it.
Okay, so I'm gonna do Ashley Martin first. I love these dresses that she has. I love the colors that she put together. The patterns work really well. They're really easy breezy, and I love that. This one I could see myself wearing to a party. I kind of like to stand out when I do go out, so I really could see myself in that one. This piece, I'm not so sure about the fit. I don't know if it's her pose, but those purple pumps were to die for. I still had to feature it, right? And then she gave us a variety of cuts and pieces in her line. This color combo always works, of course. And then those shoes. The models were very brave. I know one almost broke her. Anyway, so this green dress right here, somebody told me that it kind of reminds them of a tree, and I'm inclined to agree. If you're following me that night, you would have seen me tweet the walk and wine. This is the dress I was referring to, because there's no split for the model to maneuver, but it's a gorgeous dress. So that's Ashley Martin's line. It was really interesting. I enjoyed that line very much. Up next was Biggy. Biggy does the dance hall pieces. We look forward to Biggy's collection every year because he gives us, you know, something to rave about. And this year it was a lot of sheer, big shoulders, and creative pieces like this one. I could really see somebody in the dance hall rocking out to this, couldn't you? And again with the shoes. Everblazing came up right after Biggy, and they did dancehall wear as well, and I think even though they're not from Jamaica, I think that they captured it really well as well, with the chains and the bright colors, the hardware on the clothing. I really felt this line as well. I could see myself in this dress actually, but I'd have to figure out how I'm gonna lift and separate these girls, you know how that goes. So with the shoulders, again, we can see the lines are actually quite similar, but I really enjoyed them both here. And Janelle is coming up next. Can't you really see like a Rihanna rocking out to this? I really think so. I could see her wearing something like that. Speaking of Rihanna, that's your designer there with Orain from the Man Down video. Gavin Douglas came up next, and he only did about 4 pieces. He actually came just to say a few words, but you'll see Nell there in shoes again without heels. She had trouble standing all night. I'm sure she was like, hurry up Gavin, hurry up. This is Julan. I really liked this line as well. It had some lovely colors, and these dresses that came up first were really breezy and easy to wear. I love the direction that she was going in. She showcased quite a few pieces. That one with the open back, and then this one with the off the shoulder, those were my favorites as well. And then this dress, she started to go into a kind of edgy direction with the leather, and this was one of my favorites from it. This green dress I'm not so sure about, but yeah, and then these purple pants, I'm kind of feeling it. I'm kind of feeling the outfit, aren't you? So that was my favorites from Caribbean Fashion Week Night 3. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you like my video.